Ingdeng Pokep Sertalina Sengkan Karbi Youth Festival Mate Karbi Risirim Sorong Aji Katalan Pacaton Dunsi Volong Kamaji Krong Pria Tawaralong Bang Paro Troksira Bang Koresia Bang Fatum Keng Dongdang Keda Maje Make Karbi Eno Thomas Council Pen Karbi Cultural Society Tumin Pen Kedeng Pon Labangso Keng Dongdang Keda Malong Kelang Cari Dun Japan London Adet Pen Resinat Abang Punang Cetong Dun Pen Genius World Record Kepaman Pon Japan Alang Lipensi Labangso Keng Dongdang Keda Maje Make Along Lang Cari Pon Lo Bangso Keng Dongdang Kedam Ponalong Alisar Pomana Ping Penangat Tongdun Karbiano Thomas Council CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Langper Local MSC Mate Karbiano Thomas Council along EM Mathuram Lekhe Lapen Karbiano Thomas Council along EM MSC Board Chairman Atum Kidan Chetongdun Bangso Keng Dongdang Kedam Genius World Record Angthei Kachepaklang Ponalong Kadokwe Bang Poro Troksira Bang Kore Sia Bang Fatum Keng Dongdang Kedam Chepaklang Ponsi Bangso Ajai Mek Angthei Pechun Ponlong Lo Lapen Keng Dongdang Keda Mabang Photo upon International Pen Genius World Record Certificate Mantik Hogalo Pajir Ponpo.
I request all the media person to stand behind the line and not to block the view of the VIPs. I request all the videographer and the media person to stand behind the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop! Line. Tiba datum kita kehidupan ke sanjok noi.
Here today, amidst very strict guidelines, is 721. So congratulations! A new record has been made, a new record set for Guinness World Records.
Thank you so much for declaring Guinness World Record today. Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends and media persons and participants. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, media persons and participants. First of all, I would like to thank and congratulate all participants for making Guinness World Record. Longest going line of public walking on stage. So, on behalf of the people of Caribbean Long, once again, all participants, congratulate to all. This is historic moment for all us, and once again thank you to all participants and this event possible. Thank you all media person. Thank you Caribbean Law.
Thank you, sir. Now, Guinness World Record Authority will present the certificate to Honorable PM, sir.